Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing with Wealthfront, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start investing with Wealthfront, first, navigate to the Wealthfront website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will need to create an account if you don't already have one. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to your dashboard. Wealthfront will guide you through a short questionnaire. This questionnaire will assess your financial goals and risk tolerance. Answer the questions honestly to ensure the best investment strategy for you. After completing the questionnaire, review the investment recommendations. Wealthfront typically recommends a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Take your time to understand the suggested asset allocations. Once you're comfortable, proceed to fund your account. You can choose to make a one-time deposit or set up recurring deposits. Select your preferred funding method, such as bank transfer or wire. Confirm the amount you'd like to invest initially. Wealthfront will then set up your account based on the chosen investment strategy. You will now have access to real-time performance insights in your account. Explore the features Wealthfront offers, including tax loss harvesting and financial planning. Regularly check your account to monitor performance and adjust contributions. You are all set to start your investing journey with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.